How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video, and this is another royalty update. For anyone who has questions about royalty, I've been getting a lot of people finding me on YouTube, finding me through the actual service. But I just want to touch in, I guess give some more tips, a little bit more knowledge on royalty, and try to pull the actual app up for you guys. It's gonna be kind of hard because I have manual focus on my Canon. But anyways, guys, for those that know nothing about royalty is a service, a bit of technology that allows, an average person to earn, some monthly income, as well as help a business owner, anyone selling some type of product or service, or wants to get more clients. It helps them target clients all over the globe through this technology. This technology will allow you to post your website and your ad to some of the top social media websites around, such as Facebook, Instagram, and so on. The app, like I said right here, let's see if we can. You see, like I said, it's a manual focus. So, see if I can focus in on this app. Just think next time I'll do autofocus. Alright. So you're gonna come here. You're gonna have the choice of making a business card. For example, I'll just show you one of my business cards. It's probably gonna be a little bit blurry. I'm sorry. I'll try to do something a little bit more planned out, but I like raw and uncut. But okay, it's gonna show you, so for example, when you're broadcasting this, you can broadcast this business card out or send it to someone. It is gonna show, you can have a picture, your picture, name, exactly what you do, phone number, links to your social media, pictures, and links to, I'm in preview mode, so it won't let me, as you see, it won't let me click. But a link, you can have a button that goes straight to your website, and you can have a questionnaire. You get the point. You can have a questionnaire, so anyone that has any questions,
get the point of something to understand,
they can actually send you an email like that. Or you can come. You can even have landing pages. That's a new thing, but I'm not gonna get into much detail. Or you can have your basic, your ad. You can have a picture, and this is how it's gonna be set up. As you see a little bit, let me see if you can get some analytics. Guys, I got so many lights going on in here. So, I don't know if you see it. I'll post another video, actually a little bit more professional. So, you can come to edit, and you'll be able to, have a headline. You know how you see see Facebook ads. You'll have a headline, a summary headline, something that's explaining a little more, an actual description, link to your website, and this is the power right here. Locations. You can broadcast your ad to anywhere in the world. States, countries, doesn't matter. And with this technology, you can even make it go wide, a radius. So I don't want to mess up what I got going on. But say for example, you see me right here. I have this radius, 3 kilometers. Get some more. And it goes all the way to 10. You see how wide it gets? So it's covering cities in many areas within one. So you're able to target pretty much anyone in up to a 10-kilometer radius when it comes to showing your ad and your service. So like I saw, I try to make this really nothing, no other way to, I can't really make this difficult. Royalty is an advertising company that's going to allow you to post your ad on all the top social media websites. It's going to allow you to target geolocation specifically. So, for example, All Star Weekend, that's why I have this in Charlotte. I targeted All Star Weekend. You can target more specific places if you're selling, for example, I don't know, you're selling books for college. You can target over a college. I want you to kind of get my drift. If you're something to do with your local business, you can target where a lot of people like to eat or certain areas specific to your target marketing. And the most important thing to walk away from this video is, say you're someone new that gets involved with royalty, gets involved with marketing, period. That's crazy. I'm talking without my face. This is the first time. Say you're getting, started with marketing, period. It's a lot of learning curve. It's a lot of things to learn. Why not just come in, set an ad up off, off, off front, and have it marketing your whatever it is you do, have it marketed right away. So now at least you have some exposure, offer it. You're able to get started right away after your ad is approved. And then you can go through the learning curve. Then you can go through the trainings, and then you can learn about marketing. Make more videos. Obviously, some videos I get more specific. It's not so unorthodox like this one is. But I like the fact you can literally turn your phone into a moneymaker. And now you really see the proof. It's not just me, you know, clickbaiting. You really can turn your phone into an advertising money machine, no matter what you're offering, what you're promoting. But I'm gonna cut this video short because I hate making super long videos. Leave below any questions you have, anyone skeptical. Email me, send me a text, click the website, let me know. But for all my new people and for anyone, like I always say, today might not be your day. You might need to do more research. Subscribe to the channel. We're at 1,000 subscribers. Get us a thumbs up. And just stay tuned for more.